It can be challenging to find the best bits for your wood router. There are many bit types to choose from, and it can be easy to find yourself intimidated. You need to understand the different types of profiles they cut out and which projects each is better suited for before you decide to buy any. Here are a few tips on what to look for in the best router bits and a few reviews to help you start shopping. There are many products available to choose the best router bits for woodworkers, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best router bits for woodworkers, from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Bosch RBS010 Router Bit Set. Coming in with our second pick is the Bosch RBS0101 1/2" and 1/4" shanked carbide tipped all-purpose professional router bit set. Looking at this set of router bits, you would find out that judging from its appearance, it looks no different than its competitors. Just as the name implies, the Bosch RBS0101 1/2" and 1/4" shanked carbide tipped all-purpose professional router bit set are basically made to be all-purpose. This set includes both a 1/2 and 1/4 shank which users can easily use on a collection of woodworking projects to produce a professional result. The tips of the Bosch RBS0101 1/2" and 1/4" shanked carbide tipped all-purpose professional router bit set are very thin, and as a user, avoid making use of this Bosch product if you want to work with router bits that have thicker styles. Carrying around router bits can be risky sometimes because users can lose their materials every time. That's why the company provided a box in which the Bosch RBS010 can be transported or carried around. Number 2. Yanako 17700 270-bit Router Bit Set. The Yanako 17700 270-bit router bit set is for woodworking enthusiasts who wants to use router bits comfortably and confidently on woodworking projects at both an industrial and domestic level. It is durable, affordable, and easy to use. The idea behind the Yanako 17700 270-bit router bit set is that instead of spending time, money, and effort trying to buy or gather the different types of router bits available separately, the set features router bit pieces which are essential and most frequently used in both industrial and domestic applications. No matter the size of the router bits, you won't have any problem identifying and picking our choice. One major factor we noticed in the Yanako 17700 270-bit router bit set is that, unlike other versions and models, this one came with a 1/2 shank which is considerably long. The box is coated with thick, high-density foam which provides a soft case. Number 3. Stalwarts Router Bit Set. Perfect for beginners or professionals. The Stalwarts Router Bit Set is available with 15 different bits that each have a 1/4" shaft bits so they fit any type of router. This is a great commercial quality set of bits for an affordable price. With durable construction, the Stalwarts router bits have carbide tips that are made to last and use high-quality materials. This is a multi-functional set that is good for a lot of uses including veining wood projects, grooving, trimming, edging, and woodworking. You also get an Allen wrench to remove bearings and a sturdy wooden case to store your bit set. Number 4. Hilti's 10100 Tungsten Carbide 15-piece Bits Review. Whether you're a professional or a complete beginner, you'll appreciate the Hilti's 10100 Tungsten Carbide 15-piece bits. The first thing you'll notice, as you might expect from the Hilti brand, is excellent build quality. The Hilti bits are so easy to use and versatile. If you're just getting to know woodworking, the Hilti 10100 bits are a great starter kit for you. These top-rated router bits are not expensive, so you can get great deals from your hardware supplier or online. These are also very sharp bits, which make working with different wood a joy to do. It might be a good idea to run your Hilti bits at lower speeds in your router and feed it a little slower through your material to prevent your bit from becoming blunt too quickly. Overall, this is a great bit set to have. Number 5. Freud Adjustable Tongue Diameter 99036 Router Bits. You can count on Freud to produce best quality router bits that are unparalleled in the market. Expect maximum durability from these bits that are carefully made with the most suitable materials. Freud uses a sophisticated process to make each bit that it sells. Red Perma Shield non-adhesive coat and Tico high-density carbide are familiar features of the Freud brand. The great thing about the Freud 99036 bits is that they can be adjusted. This means you can adjust to work with wood that is half an inch up to 1¼ inches thick. It's easy to work with a wide variety of wood including the zebrawood, purple heart, bloodwood, any hard or soft wood you choose. You can create grooves and tongues of various widths in 0.004-inch increments. This you can do by inserting shims between your cutters. Notice that each bit carries its own set of shims to make such tasks easier. As long as you make sure to shim each bit by the same amount of space, the groove and tongues you make will always match. That's great for tongue and groove joints for cabinet doors and other similar work. You'll be happy with the results as these bits will work well in giving clean and precise cuts. Of course, if you want your bits to last as long as possible, take good care of them by keeping them clean and not allowing them to get too hot. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product's price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.